And Jamaica College copped the double in the ISSA Burger King All-Ireland Under-14 and Under-16 football competitions with victory over Garvey Maceo and Cornwall College respectively at Jamaica College on Friday.
After being beaten in the Manning Cup final, Jamaica College found a way to end the season on a high. They were head and shoulders above Garvey Maceo in the All-Ireland Under-14 decider with a 4-0 victory. Joshonit Gaynor had the Hold Hope Road-based school in front from the 6th minute as he made it 1-0. Garvey Maceo were still trying to get a foothold in the match when JC struck again. Terrell Christie made it 2-0 in the 17th minute. An own goal made it 3-0 before Shaquille Smith put the lid on the win in the 58th minute for JC to lift the title as Garvey Maceo's effort came to naught.
Heading into the game, I told my players say, don't take any team lightly, because I saw a little clip of Garvey and we know they are a physical team. So all we have to do is tell them, say, just mark close, and we did that. When the game started, within the first 15 minutes, it's like we didn't come here to play in the football. So we conceded 3 goals, and when you come out to Jamaica College playing against a very good under-14 team, it's hard to concede 3 goals and come back. But when you look in the second half, you see where we spoke to the boys, we made some adjustment, and they came out second half playing better. We only conceded 1 goal in the second half, so it was a better second half than the first half. But again, hats off to Jamaica College and this victory here today.
The Under-16 decider was far from a walk in the park for JC as it took penalties to decide the winner against Cornwall College. The two ended goalless over the first 45 minutes before JC broke the deadlock 3 minutes into the second half. JC were looking a winner, but with the game in added time, Cornwall College and Darren Harding pulled one from the bag to pull level. With the game going to penalties, JC held their nerves to put away their 5 kicks, while Cornwall could afford only 3 as JC ran out 5-3 winners.
It's a great feeling to lead these boys. It took a lot of hard work and discipline and dedication.
It was a good game. Cornwall really bring the fire. We match their intensity, we match their energy, and all in all we get the result.
Pretty much we started out, we take our time to get into our game. But then in the second half, I could see the fight from the boys, and they come out and they gave it their all today.
Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.